of order, again under Rule 29, Para 2, the honourable member is, private member is reading again. So sir, I would request you if that particular rule can be properly
Which rule, sir?
279-2.
279? 2. 279-2. Okay, thank you so much, sir. I think you have, you need...
So I'll read out, sir.
Carefully.
A private member may not read his speech, but may refresh his memory by reference to the notes. So if he may kindly follow these rules.
Okay, thank you so much, sir, for reminding the rules. What does the rules say? And the heading of the rules, please, sir.
You can read it.
Okay. The rules of the... Okay. The rule says, okay, rules of debate. So I may ask you, is this a debate?
It is a debate.
I'm initiating myself in the form of resolution.
So I leave the decision to you, sir. I mean, I'm not here to debate with you.
So I just want to make it clear. I'm trying myself to make a formal motion through a resolution. So I'm refreshing myself through a script. Because why, sir? Okay,